are having feature of creating a sub canvases inside a single canvas. Let's take an example. So I'm having one X. So let me import Matplot first. Lib.py.plt. Then I'll say X 1, 2, 3, and let's say 5. Y, let it be 4, 7, 2, and 5. Then let it be 1. So we are having one concept of subplots. In subplots, we do have option of dividing our single canvas into sub canvases. Like say, if I want to have 2 by 2 canvas. 2 by 2 means 2 rows, 2 column. Or if you say, I require 2 rows with single column, then create your canvas as per your need. So let's go with 2 by 1 first, then we'll change 2 by 2 another formats. So this function return an array of axes. This number of axes depending on your canvases you requested for subplotting. And one more thing is that you get one figure with 400, the value is in pixel. So you just have to refer the name. You can give any name. I'm giving 4-figure FIG. And for holding array, I'm creating one tuple. So this will help me to use AX1 for first canvas, AX2 for my second canvas. And FIG can be used for saving this picture and using this FIG for copying this same canvas into my physical directory. So let's start with the first one. I'll say on first canvas, I want a line should be plotted. On my second canvas, I want one bar should be plotted. So sometimes it's happening you require a single canvas to be utilized for multiple charts. So we'll see some charts in Seaborn where we require to demonstrate explanatory analytics on the same canvas. So in that case, we require multiple charts on same canvas. For that purpose, we do have optional subplots. In subplot, we are saying first argument is row, second argument is column. Depending on your request, this plotting would be done. So let me take a second example. So I'll say plt.subplots. I say 2 by 2 would be there. This time, first argument would be static. Instead of a single array tuple, I'll be getting 2 tuples. Of first row AX1, AX2, and second row I'm getting AX. You can name anything ABC, XYZ. I'm just naming them for my understanding. So first row would be treated as this tuple, and second row would be treated as this tuple. So let me figure out the outcomes. First argument, I say let's have a again line chart XY. Second, I say let's have bar, and then again XY. Next, I say let's have a scattered chart XY. Next, the last one, I say let's have a pie, Y versus X. So it doesn't make difference because I'm not having any text value. Let's go for Y only. At end, I'll say plt.show so that buffer should be clear. So I'll be getting 4 charts on my same canvas, which I can utilize as and when needed. That's a normal case, which is highly preferred if you want to compare the performance of your data in different charts. That's a normal case. So if you go ahead, we are having some other option also. Let me answer your yesterday's query for making donut text. So let me write down the particular case.
Sir, before that, can you explain again why we have write subplots 2, 2 or 2, 1? What is it signifying?
Okay, 2, 2 would signify that we are requiring 2 rows and 2 columns. And 2, 1 signify that I am having 2 rows, but a single column would be single.